wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best bathtub lifts. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. In addition to saving you the trouble of putting it together, the one-piece drive medical aquajoy saver has a voltage monitor to ensure that there's enough power to lift you back out whenever it's activated, so you won't get stranded in the tub by a dead battery. It's equipped with attached wings for added stability and provides a large amount of legroom. However, it doesn't fit all bathtubs. At number 7, the Bathmaster deltis has convenient carrying grips, so it can be transported easily from place to place and used wherever it's needed, offering greater freedom of movement for those who benefit from a helping hand with their personal grooming. It operates on lithium-ion batteries and reclines from 10 to 40 degrees, but the seat covering is quite thin. Coming in at number 6 on our list. When you need that little bit of extra help getting up after a nice long soak, the Lumex Splash is a great companion to have. Instead of calling out for assistance and waiting for someone to come lend a hand, you can manage on your own with this robustly designed unit. It adheres to smooth surfaces and is good value for the budget conscious. However, it provides only an upright position. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bathtub lifts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Drive Medical Whisper is a reliable option for home use. To make routine bathing easier and less stressful, the back can recline up to a 50-degree angle for washing hair in difficult-to-reach spots, and the handheld controls are completely waterproof. It folds up easily for storage, and its suction cups create an anti-slip base. It offers a quick and simple installation. Halfway up our list at number 4. Featuring a swivel bar with double loop clips for extra stability and security, the Invacare iLift 450 can accommodate up to 450 pounds. Its tapered legs are made especially to enable you to work around the widest of obstacles. It comes with a remote charging station and a spare 24-volt battery in a foldable design for travel purposes. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Although it has a maximum capacity of over 300 pounds, the ultra-lightweight mangar Archimedes tips the scales at a mere 22 itself, and it's built for long-term durability, making it a sensible choice for travel and other situations that necessitate use in more than one location. It promotes independent bathing and is a convenient one-piece construction with intuitive controls. At number 2, a perfect choice for deep tubs, the Drive Medical Bellavita Auto features 4 quick-release cups that keep the base securely in place. Hygienic cutouts and a slimline profile make handling a cinch, so it's ideal for those who need minimal assistance. The back folds down easily and the control device floats. It's available with a blue or grey cover. And coming in at number 1 on our list. For both professional and home use, the Hoya Advance gives caregivers a safe helping hand when transferring their charges into and out of a tub. It has a swan's neck-shaped upper bar and adjustable legs to make loading and unloading easy. It's equipped with a convenient foot pedal and is exceptionally versatile. It collapses to fit in a car trunk. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bathtub lifts, or simply click beneath this video.